Thank you for watching my video. Today, I will make cheese and spinach stuffed pork loin cutlet. This dish is very healthy because a bunch of spinach is layered in pork loin. In Japan, the stuffed pork cutlet is very healthy because you can take nutrients of vegetables. You can enjoy crispy texture of spinach and juicy pork cutlet. It is very easy to make and you need simple ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, I introduced the ingredients. Okay, this is sliced pork loin. So I use it and layer the ingredients. And this is a bunch of spinach. Then I have 3 sliced cheese. So in Japan, melty cheese is popular too, but so it's easy to flow out during deep frying. So this is not melty. And to season, so salt and white pepper. And for deep frying, so you need rice flour or wheat flour and 1 egg. Finally, this is breadcrumbs, so it's called panko. Okay, these are all ingredients. Let's start. Sorry, I introduced the oil, so I will use rice oil for deep frying. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will start with spinach. So let's boil the spinach in a boiling water with some salt. I use 1000 grams of water and add 15 grams of salt. Putting salt is good for to season a spinach. Okay, let's start. And cut the root. Okay, then separate the size. The spinach has maybe 3 types of size, I think. So large one and medium one and small one. So I separate it into 3 types of size. Okay, I divide the spinach into 3 groups. So this is small ones and middle one and large one. Okay, I divided into 3 groups, and it's very important to be crispy spinach. So I boil each part. So let's start. Okay, I have 3 groups of size of spinach. So large one, medium one, small one. So it takes some time to boil them, but so it makes a difference. So the texture is still crispy and so delicious. Okay, and so cut it into bite-sized pieces. So it's important to squeeze the water before cutting. Okay, and so gather the 3 groups, and I should cut it in half. Okay, then invite them into 6 parts, equal parts. Okay, it's done. Okay, cut sliced cheese in half. Okay, then let's prepare the pork loin, sliced pork loin. So season with salt and white pepper. Okay, I finished to prepare all ingredients of cutlet. So let's layer it. So sliced pork loin and so 1 part of cheese and 1 part of spinach. Okay, let's start. So it's important to not come out the cheese. I should place on the middle like this. And flatten and layered another pork loin. Okay, it's done. So it's important to flatten the surface, so flatten the spinach, because if you cut it into bite-sized pieces, and the cut section of it is very beautiful. Okay, I put enough oil to cover the pork cutlet. Okay, then let it reaches to 170 degrees. And I will prepare for the butter. So to coat the cutlet, eggs, rice flour, and breadcrumbs. So I crush the panko into small pieces. So because I want to make the deep frying food so healthy. but it's not necessary. Using rolling a pin and crush it. Okay, let's coat the pork cutlet with rice flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs. So it's important to get rid of excess powder. Okay, then beaten egg. Okay, finally add to the breadcrumbs. It's very important to cover completely because the cheese and spinach is coming out for deep frying. Okay, I prepared the cutlet, so make sure that the oil is right heat. Okay, the bubbles comes out like this. So it's good 170 degrees. So I will deep fry the cutlet. Okay, so put it. So when the surface is crispy and golden brown, so it's done. Cheese is melting. So it looks delicious. Wow. So, いただきます。So, I like this dish. The cheese is melting. It is so delicious. When I bite the cutlet, it's very juicy and it has a lot of spinach, but the melty cheese is mild, gives the dish umami flavor. So delicious. And sliced pork loin is soft and juicy, so yeah, I love this cutlet. The surfaces are very crispy, and so I enjoyed the texture. So crispy outside and juicy inside, juicy, soft pork loin and spinach. The flavor of cheese is awesome. Cheese is delicious. The dish is so healthy. I used a bunch of spinach. We can take nutrients of it. So please look at it. So I layer. Sorry. Can you see? So I layered pork loin, spinach, and sliced cheese. And it's important flatten them because I cut into bite sizes. The cut section is good. So I tried to hold the pork so perfectly. It prevents the cheese from coming out during deep frying. So I see the melty cheese. I really like cheese stuffed pork. They are good combination. And also I stuffed a big bunch of spinach. It's a good idea. So in Japan, it's popular to make stuffed, so vegetables stuff pork loin or pork belly. We deep fry and eat it with rice. Okay, this is Japanese style cutlet. How about it? So it's so healthy, and so I recommend it for dinner. So please try it. If you like my video, please click the like button and please leave a comment. So I want to know that. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.